The next topic, effect of gyroscopic couple on a naval ship during steering. So when we consider as the naval ship effects, so that is the three types of effects are there while we take the our naval ship. So those are the steering effect, pitching effect, rolling effect. So steering point of view, so what is mean of steering? So it is simply to say that it is the turning of the complete ship in a curve towards left or right. Okay. While it moves forward. So that is known as simply to say that it is the steering. So while we give the some directions, so it is very helpful to us. So that is okay. That work has been particularly done by the our steering. So in this, let us take the first one. So that is the effect of gyroscopic couple on a naval ship during the steering. So what we discussed in earlier topic, so that is the our effect of gyroscopic couple on on an aeroplane. So same similar, okay, similar effects to achieved in our this effect, okay, in our naval ship also. So that is the before going to start this one, so let us know the some terms used in our ship. So those are the just observe that. So while we take the our ship, so front portion is calling as bow, front portion. Okay, so those, okay, front portion is calling as the bow, and the rear portion is calling as stern, stern or aft. Rear portion is calling as stern or aft, and right portion, okay, right portion, so right side portion is calling as starboard. Okay, this place is calling as starboard, and left portion is calling as port. Okay, port. So these calling names are very important while we enter into the our ship. Okay, ship or okay, uh, naval ship. So those places are calling as only their names. So that is the bow, stern, and port or starboard. So these are also very important. Now coming to the our steering effect point of view. So steering effect of point of view. So just observe that here let the engine or rotor, here it may also calling as rotor. So let the engine or rotor, sorry, engine or rotor rotating, rotating clockwise direction, rotating clockwise direction when weaving from stern, when weaving from stern. So that is the our direction of weaving here, stern, stern, when weaving from stern. And the ship takes to the left turn, the ship takes to the left turn. So the ship takes to the left turn. Then the effect of gyroscopic couple is, then the effect of gyroscopic couple is, so that is to raise the bow and lower the stern, to raise the bow and lower the stern. So that is the just to have to change their, okay, those terms. So that is the nose is replacing with bow, and rear end is replacing, rear end or tail end is replacing with stern. So those two names only replaced in our particular topic, and other things are okay, and the conditions and what are the data, what the data is there, so those all are similar. So let us take the, okay, our vector representations. So that is the figure A, steerings to the left. Okay, steering to the left, the ship steers to the left turn. So that is the OX is there, axis of spin OX. So this is the ship steers to the left. So that is the OX is shifted to the OX dash. So that means ship steers to the left. Then the effect of gyroscopic couple is, so that is the to raise the bow and lower the stern. So that is the in this place just you have to use the lower, okay, lower the stern. And similarly to take the ship steering to the right, the ship steering to the right turn. So then the effect of gyroscopic couple is to lower the bow and raise the stern, lower the bow and raise the stern. So that may also, okay, discussed here. So they are replacing with some terms only, and conditions will be similar to the in our an aeroplane. Okay, similar to the our aeroplane, an aeroplane. Okay, conditions. Now coming to the effect of gyroscopic couple on a naval ship during pitching. During pitching. So pitching point of view, so what is the mean of pitching? Pitching means it is the movement of a complete ship up and down in a transverse axis as shown in here. So what is the momentum is there, okay, towards up and down. So that is known as considered as the pitching effect. So that is known as the pitching effects. While we talked about of the our pitching, so we have to consider the two terms. Those are the port and starboard. In earlier steering effect point of view, only we have to talk about of the we have to talk only, okay, bow and stern. But pitching point of view, we talk have to talk about of the port and starboard. That means the port is the left portion and starboard is the right portion. So we have to talk about of the only those words. So in this, the pitching of the ship is assumed to take place with SHM. So what is the pitching moment is there? That is seems to be, okay. That is assumed to be SHM motion. So from that point of view, you have to find out the our effect of gyroscopic couple, okay, during pitching. So before going to that one, so you have to write the angular displacement of the axis of spin from mean position after time t seconds. Okay, angular displacement of the axis of spin from mean position after time t seconds. So therefore, theta equals to pi sine omega 1t. Theta equals to pi sine omega 1t. How we write the particular term? So that is the already we know the our SHM, okay, coordinate values. So that is the our equation and SHM coordinates values. So those are the our x value. So simply to take it is that is the x and y values are their coordinates. So those are written as the this way. So that is the theta equals to pi sine omega 1 t. In this, pi represents the amplitude of the swing and omega represents the angular velocity of SHM. Angular velocity of SHM. So that is the simple harmonic motion. So omega 1 means again, so that is also represented with a 2 pi by t suffix p. T suffix p. Tp means time period. 2 pi by tp. So now this is the angular displacement, but we want to find out the angular velocity. So angular velocity of precision, so that is the omega suffix p equals to d theta phi dt. That means differentiating of the our displacement. So that is the d theta by dt. So it may also written as d by dt of pi sine omega 1t. So that equals to pi omega 1 cos omega 1t. While we made the differentiation, so the value is pi omega 1 cos omega 1t. So therefore, angular velocity of precision will be maximum. So that means have to find out the maximum angular velocity of precision. So for that, cos omega 1t is considered as the 1. Cos omega 1t equals to 1. So therefore maximum angular velocity precision omega p max equals to pi into omega 1. Pi into omega 1. So omega 1 means again substitute the value. So that is the pi into 2 pi by tp. Pi into 2 pi by tp. So therefore maximum gyroscopic couple C max equals to I omega omega p max. I omega omega p max. Omega p max value is the pi omega 1. Pi omega 1. So that is the our maximum gyroscopic couple. So now we are going to discuss the effects. So that is the when the pitching is upwards, when the pitching is upwards. So when the pitching is upward, then the effect of reactive gyroscopic couple, as shown in figure, will try to move the ship towards starboard. Will try to move the ship towards starboard. So just you have to imagine the our pitching moment. Okay, generally when we occur the pitching effect, so that is the uh, when the naval ship going to offshore, going to offshore or onshore, it is coming to shore onshore or it is going to offshore. So that time generally occur the pitching effects. Why? Because tides are very high while coming to outside are going to inside. So then we have to observe the pitching effect. So that means when the ship is going to when the ship is going to inside, so then it may also faces the their tides, faces the our tides. So that is the pitching up. When the ship is going to up of the tide, when the ship is going to, that means when the ship is passes to the our tide, so then the effect of gyroscopic couple is, so that is the pitching upward means when the ship passes to the our tide. Okay, the tide is also the tide amplitude is very high. So then their effect is to move the ship towards starboard. So that is the ship towards going to move starboard side and the pitching upward. And next condition, when the pitching is downward, okay, that means the ship passes towards downside of the tide. So then the effect of gyroscopic couple is to turn the ship toward port side. So that is the dragging of the port side. The ship is the total ship is dragged to the towards port side. Okay, so those are the cases are discussed here. So that means two, those are the two terms usage in our these cases. That is the, is it dragging starboard side or is it dragging port side? Which side it is dragging? So it is the very very important. So while we take the our pitching effect, so that is the uh, that is two things, two terms generally usage. Those are the port side and starboard side. So those are indicating with left portions and right portions, left portions and right portions. So which side is dragging while while the ship passes to the our tide, while the ship passes to the tides, tide up and tide down. Okay, those are the cases mentioned here. And one small case is also there, that is belongs to the angular acceleration during pitching. So then also Okay, find out the angular acceleration during pitching. So for getting the angular acceleration, so that is the alpha equals to, so that is representing with alpha equals to d square theta by dt square. So that equals to theta already known, angular displacement already known. So d square theta by dt square, that means double differentiation, 2 times of differentiation. When differentiating the 2 times, so then we may also get the angular acceleration. So that equals to that value minus pi omega 1 square sine omega 1 t. So when we made the our double differentiation, the value has to arrive minus pi omega 1 square sine omega 1 t. So in this, let us find the maximum angular acceleration. So for getting the maximum angular acceleration, alpha max equals to pi omega 1 square, pi omega 1 square, pi omega 1 square. So that is the our maximum angular acceleration. Now going to take the our next topic, that is the during rolling effect. So during effect of gyroscopic couple on a naval ship during rolling effect. So it is a very okay. It is also one of the important thing. So during rolling effect. So then uh, when when you have to fix the rolling effect, so that means, so that is the when the ship is travels to the parallel to the tides, then we may also faces the rolling effect. Then we may also faces the rolling effect. So that means, so in earlier one, when the ship travels to the perpendicular to the tides, then we may also faces the pitching effect. Now the ship travels to the parallel to the tides, we may also faces the rolling effect. So how to avoid the rolling effect? So that is also one simple case. Okay, so that is the effect of gyroscopic couple to occur. The axis of precision should always be perpendicular to the axis of spin. So that is the axis of precision should always perpendicular to the axis of spin. So if, however, the axis of precision becomes parallel to the axis of spin, there will be no effect of the gyroscopic couple acting on the body of the ship. So that means, so when we take our axis, so axis diagram is there, so in earlier one, so that is the 3 axes are representing in our gyroscopic couple. Those are the first one axis of spin, and second one axis of precision, and third one axis of gyroscopic couple. So in this axis of spin and axis of precision, what are the axes are there? The axis of precision becomes parallel to the axis of spin. So what is the value is there? Okay, the axis of precision value is there. So that value, okay, so that their axis is parallel to the axis of spin. Okay, axis of precision is parallel to the axis of spin. There will be no effect of the gyroscopic couple. So that means when we have to make the particular thing, so that is the axis of precision value is parallel to the axis of spin. So then simply to avoiding of the our rolling effect, so that may also happen in our naval ships. So that's why it is also okay, rolling effect easily to overcome. Okay, so by taking the particular principle, so that is the axis of precision becomes parallel to the axis of spin. So these are the 3 effects generally occurred in our naval ship. Okay, in our naval ship.